Sathukiwe nanje imndeni emithathu ngemva kokubulawela kwamalunga wayo amathathu. uSbonelo Ntshangase, uSabelo Nhlako, noSizwe Mbingo badunyuzwe babulawa ngeLesihlanu. Imndeni le ithi ifuna bona Amapholisa babopha benze lokhu.
We as the family are very, very devastated upon the tragedy that has happened to our family. It's very hard to believe and to grasp because this has happened.
Ngaphandle amalunga we-ANC ahlangene, imoya iphezulu. Amalunga e-ANC kunye noMphakathi basilingeke bakhulelwe izinhloko ngokubulawa kwabantu eMkhondo. Bafuna Amapholisa enze msinya bopha iinlelesi.
So yasaba lokukhuluma. Sicela nisivikele. Siyanicela. Yabo manje njengoba sikhuluma la bo interview already bazosihanta njengoba sikhuluma la interview.
Siyaphela eMkhondo. Angaze namhlanje asazi ufuna kuze kufingane abaningi kube nkathi kuzobonakala.
Amapholisa anethemba lokuthi azokugcina azibophile iinlelesi.
We have met the management of the police around here and we have identified some gaps ourselves on those. Maybe the approach that we have used in other places where there are political killings like KZN is the same approach that we are going to be using.
So hence we are here to work with the communities and to make sure that justice is sought in this political killings that are happening within our province before they spread throughout the province. And we understand fully the plight of our people.
We are going to arrest this person. We'll arrest him. So I want to request that we have been trying to calm down the situation here in Mkhondo. But it's very difficult because people have got their own suspects before they kill one another.
Ngosinye ikhaba umnyaka opheleleko kwabulawa ikhansela le-ANC uMuzimanyathi kodwa ukufikela nje akunamuntu obotshweko. Amapholisa noMphakathi sebathembele esiqhemeni esikhethekileko samapholisa bona azokubopha iinlelesi ezibulala bosopolitiki esifundeni lesi.